Looking to upgrade your bathroom without a full renovation? The 4-piece bath ensemble offers a simple way to add style and function all at once. Crafted from durable dolomite with an ornate rose petal design, this set brings an elegant touch to any bathroom or powder room. It's not just about looks. Each piece is built to last and designed to feel smooth and luxurious in your hands. I recently added this set to my own bathroom, and the difference was immediate. The lotion dispenser's stainless steel pump is rust-proof and sturdy, making daily use hassle-free. The tumbler, toothbrush holder, and soap dish all share the same quality finish that's easy to clean with just a quick wipe. The weight of each piece gives a solid, premium feel, definitely not cheap or flimsy. Plus, the color and pattern blend seamlessly with my teal accents, making the whole space feel more inviting and put together. What's great is how versatile this set is. Whether you place the pieces on your vanity or arrange them on a serving tray for a neat, cohesive look, they instantly elevate your bathroom's vibe. It's a smart choice for anyone setting up a new home, looking for a thoughtful housewarming gift, or simply wanting to refresh their bath accessories with something practical yet stylish. If that's you, this 4-piece set is worth a look. Ready to add a touch of elegance and durability to your bathroom? This 4-piece bath ensemble combines beautiful design with everyday practicality. Try it when you're ready to experience a bathroom upgrade that's both functional and charming.